series.
Number series only. In case of
Yes,
number
sir.
series, I have given one procedure, right? We are discussing a procedure which we need to follow while solving a number series.
Yes, sir. We have to check some things.
Tell
If
me.
they are
First of all, we
consecutive
have to check.
natural numbers. If they are consecutive natural numbers.
Yeah, maybe they are consecutive natural numbers or not. We have to check that one first. Consecutive natural numbers. If they are not matching, then
Consecutive even or odd numbers.
check consecutive even or odd numbers. If they are also not matching, then
Consecutive prime or composite numbers.
check consecutive prime or composite numbers. Composite number. Okay. And if they are also not matching, then
Squares.
yes, check whether the given numbers are consecutive square numbers or not. So in this step, we have mentioned one point. We have to identify whether the given numbers are n squares or not. Okay, n square. Identifying n square is in this step. Identifying up to n square is in this step. But what number can be substituted in place of n? What can be n here? N can be? No, n square is the pattern. We have identified all the given numbers are perfect square. Yes, that n can be a natural number or even number or odd number or a prime number or a composite number, or it can be another square number also. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
You have discussed up to this point or any extra points?
Up to this thing only, sir.
Okay. These are the some examples we have done in the last class. Remember these points?
Yes, sir.
These things. Okay, we have continued till question number 12. What about question number 12? See question number 12. They are not perfect square numbers and they are not perfect square numbers, but they are.
You have to add one.
Add or subtract something. We can add or subtract something. Okay, for that purpose, here I'm adding one more point. Point number 5 is, if they are not matching, if they are perfect square numbers, if they are not perfect square numbers, then check. One second. Then check nearby squares. Check nearby squares. Means in this step, we have to search for n square plus
n square
or
plus 1
or minus
minus 1.
Not only 1, it can be 2 or 3 or 4, or it can be any number. I'm taking any number like a. One second. Okay, sorry. Check nearby squares or nearby cubes. Nearby squares or nearby cubes. Sorry, nearby squares only. Cubes we'll see later. Let us do some examples. Some more examples. And I asked you one thing in the last class. What is that?
Sir, to learn all the prime numbers below 100.
Yeah, I think this is the list of the things you have to be ready with the. Yes, this is the list, right? I asked you in the previous class, consecutive even numbers. No. This one, not this one. Yeah, these two things I think. Prime numbers below 100, prime numbers below 100, and square numbers below 20. Okay. Now let us see how many of you are ready with those things.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, this is Rishita. I was absent in the last class, so I don't know about this lesson.
It's okay, ma. It's okay, but you know things already. Rishita,
Yes, ma'am. So, yes,
no,
sir.
not Rishita. Who spoke to me just now?
Sir, it's me, Rishita only.
Rishita only. Rishita.
Yes, sir, it's me only.
Ha. Okay, tell me. Start prime numbers.
Okay, sir. Prime numbers are from
Hmm.
1 to 100, right? In between of that.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So prime numbers are 2,
Okay.
3,
Hmm.
5,
Okay.
7,
Okay.
11.
Wait. Ritvik. Ritvik Annakula.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
9,
No, 9 is not a prime number.
8,
No, 8 is not a prime number.
11, 7,
Wait, don't speak remaining people. Don't talk. Ritvik, continue.
9,
9 is not a prime number.
10,
10 is not a prime.
11,
11. Yes, it is a prime number. Next
13,
is a prime number, correct?
15,
No.
16.
Sir,
No.
he doesn't know what is a prime number, sir. Actually, he's just entering grade.
Ma'am, do one thing, ma'am. List out all the prime numbers below 100 and try to memorize him,
Okay.
because these
okay.
things will be very helpful
Yeah.
in many
okay.
cases, not only for series, in many situations.
Okay, sure, sir. I'll teach you.
Okay. Vedant, continue.
Yes, sir. 17,
17. Okay.
19,
Okay. Stop. Kadambari, continue.
Yes, sir. 23,
Okay.
29,
29. Okay. Stop.
31,
Rishi, continue.
sir, 31,
Okay.
sir, 37,
Okay. Stop.
sir,
Surya Madhav, continue.
yes, sir. Sir, 41,
41. Yes.
43,
Okay.
49.
No.
No, 47, sorry.
Yes. And then
Sir, that's all.
wait, I'll ask. Ritvik, continue.
1,
Sorry,
51.
51 is not a prime.
Oh, yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir. Sir, can you please once let me in again, sir?
Sir, can I
53,
say
53.
53,
53. Yes.
59,
1 second. 53 and then 59. Stop. Harini,
Yes, sir.
continue.
61, 67, 71.
Wait. 61 and then 67 over. Wait.
Yes, sir.
Sadika, continue. Sadika.
Yes, sir.
Sadika.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Continue.
ఏం చేస్తున్నావు గూగుల్ ఉంటున్నా గూగుల్
Remaining people, please mute your audio. Sadhika, continue. After 67, what is the next prime number?
71,
ఏంటి గూగుల్
Okay.
20, 73,
Okay.
79,
Okay, wait. Ananya, continue.
yes, sir. 81, 80,
No, 81 is not a prime.
80, 85,
After
85,
79, what is the next prime number?
and 81.
No, because it is divisible by 9 also. Other than 1 and itself, it is divisible by one more number. That is, it is not a prime number. After 81,
Sir, can I? 83,
okay, 83 is a prime. Then
80, sir, 87,
no, 87 is divisible by 3.
80, 89 is
Okay, stop. Santosh. Santosh, continue.
sir.
Continue.
Sir, is 85 a prime number?
85 is not a prime number because 85 is divisible by 85, 1, and not only with these two, it is divisible by 5 as well, and one more is 17 as well. Okay. Next. Santosh, continue. After 89, next prime number.
Yes, sir. Sir, 93.
93 is not a prime because it is divisible by 3.
Oh. Sir, 97.
97, okay. And
Sir, 91. 91.
91, is it a prime?
No,
No, it is divisible by 7. Next.
it's only 90.
Santosh, any more prime numbers?
No,
Sir,
sir.
can I?
No.
No more.
Sir, under 10, no more prime numbers.
Under 100, below 100.
Yes, sir.
Below 100, these are the prime numbers. All of you have to list out all these prime numbers and you have to memorize them compulsory. Immediate after seeing that number, you should able to identify whether it is, you should able to decide whether it is a prime or not. Okay, all of you practice them.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in 1 to 100, the biggest prime number is 97, and in 1 to 1 to 1000, the biggest prime number is 997.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, 90 to 100 is the only group which contain only one prime number.
Only one prime number. Yes. And in which group it has a large number of prime numbers?
Sir,
There are two groups.
Sir,
yes, sir.
1 to
Sir,
10
1
as well as
to
2 to
10
sir,
as well.
the first and the second.
First and second.
Sir, can you repeat, sir, what he told?
Here we have written in 10 segments, right? 10 number segments. This
sir.
group is from 1 to 10 and this group is 11 to 20. This group is 21 to 30. So in this way, the group consists of only one prime number is 90 to 100. Okay, the group consists of highest number of prime numbers are these two groups, first two groups. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And one more thing is, what about squares? What is meant by square?
Sir, square means
A number multiplied by same number.
equals to
A into A. Its
A into
representation
A
is
is A square.
A square. A
If you
is the
multiply
raised.
number twice, means we will get the square
Not
of that.
twice.
particular
Not twice. Twice is different. Twice means 2 times it is. That is a plus
Sir,
a.
we can even keep
Okay,
like,
Sorry,
sir,
you can even.
can it go like
This way.
a to the power of 3?
3, yes.
So it
If
could
you
be
multiply
a
4
cube,
times,
right, sir?
yeah, we call it as cube. We call it as cube.
Then
If it is 4 times,
sir, what do we call a to a with 4, sir? A multiplied by 4.
a is
to the
raised.
power of-
A is raised to the power 4. A is raised to the power 4.
Okay, sir.
Okay. We'll start with again. Harini,
Yes, sir.
1 square is
What, sir?
1 square is how much?
1.
1. Okay. Akhil, 2 square.
2 square is
How much?
4.
Okay.
Sir, 1 square is 1, sir.
1 square is 1 only. Yes. 2 square is.
Cube 1 cube
4 is 4, sir.
only, right, sir?
Okay. Rishi, sorry, I pinned you. No.
Yes, sir.
1 second. 1 second. Okay.
Sir, and within second I tell, sir.
Vedanta. Vedanta. 3 square is.
9, sir.
Okay. Surya Kumar. Sorry. Surya Madhav. 4 square.
Sir, 16.
Okay. And Rishi, 5 square.
Sir, 25.
Okay.
Second I.
Sadika, 6 square.
36, sir.
36. Very good. Ritvik, 7 square.
49.
Okay. Rishita, 8 square.
Sir, 64.
64. Varshit completed.
No, sir.
Okay. 9 square.
81.
9 square is 81. Correct. Then Ritvik, easier one for you. 10 square is how much? Ritvik. Annakula. See here, Ritvik. 10 square, nothing but 10 into 10. 10 tens are
100, sir.
okay. Who told? Ritvik only.
No,
Oh,
sir.
sir. Harini Gupta.
Why remaining people are talking? Okay. Then Ananya completed. Santosh, 11 square.
Sir, 121.
121. Then Kunal entered just now, I think. Kunal,
Sir,
can you say 12 12s?
12.
12 12s.
12, sir.
Hmm.
I think yes, sir.
12 10s.
Yes, sir. In the 120.
Sir, it's 144.
Don't speak remaining people again and again. I'm telling, okay, I'm speaking to only one person. That person has to respond. Don't speak remaining people. Don't talk. Okay. All of you.
Yes, sir. Sir, 12.
Kunal, 12 12s.
12 12s are 144, right?
144. Yes. Kadambari, can you say 13 13, sir? 13 square. Kadambari. Okay, let me write. 13 square is anyone can tell. Now anyone can respond.
169, sir.
169.
169.
14 square.
196.
196.
196. 15 square.
175. 174.
No, no.
225. 225.
Already 14 square is 196. How can you say 15 square 175? 225. Okay, 16 square.
256.
256. Sir. 17 square.
289.
289.
289. 18 square. 324. 19 square.
361.
361. And 20 square.
400.
Okay. Okay. Are you telling by knowing these things, or by calculating these things, or by seeing
I know
anywhere?
till 20 tables. I know 20 tables till 20 steps.
Yeah. If you know 20 tables till 20, it is enough. It is better.
I know them.
Yes,
So that's
better.
why means I take time for this 11 to 20. I take time, but 1 to 10 I can tell easy.
Yes. Okay, then all of you have to do these two things, sir. Prime numbers below 100 and square numbers up to 20. Square numbers up to 20. And let us do one more question. We'll continue our questions. Question number 12 completed. I'm moving on to 13. Anyone can try this? Wait. Yeah, what is the next number? Just follow the procedure. You'll get the answer. Yes.
Sir, we should use squares in it, sir.
Maybe. Maybe I have used squares.
Sir, first we are getting the squares, but after that we are not getting.
Okay, just tell me whether all these numbers are consecutive natural numbers.
Yeah, no, sir. No, sir.
No, means
sir, whole numbers.
not matching. Second, all these numbers are consecutive even or consecutive odd?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Consecutive prime or composite numbers?
No, sir.
No. Okay, they are whether they are perfect square numbers.
No, sir.
No, sir.
They are not perfect.
Then check for nearby squares.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing here, one more small hint point here. Anywhere in the number series, if the first place is 0, probably that 0 may be obtained by 1 square minus 1 or 1 cube minus 1 or 1 power 4 minus 1. 1 power can be anything. Minus 1 it will be 1 power may be anything. Minus 1 it will be 0. So in that way, by seeing the numbers, all the numbers tell me all the numbers are below 100 only. All the numbers are in tens only. It is better to consider squares or cubes. Which is better?
Sir, it is better to consider square.
Squares only,
Squares.
because if they are cubes, within 3-4 terms, it may enter into hundreds, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm trying with the squares only. First number is 0, means what can we try? 1 square
1 square minus
minus 1. And it is nearby.
2
Let us try
square
with 2
minus
square.
2
2
square
square is actually
Minus 1.
4. 2
Plus
square is
1.
actually 4, but it
Yes,
is
sir.
plus
Square
1.
plus 1.
plus 1. Okay. 3 square is
3
9
square
Minus 1.
3 square minus 1.
minus 1.
Minus
4
square
plus
plus
1.
1.
I think you got the pattern.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
4 square minus 5 square
1
minus
square,
1.
2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. That is common. Next.
Sir, but here
1 is
the-
common. 1 time minus, 1 time plus. 1 time minus, 1 time plus. Alternatively.
I'm sorry, here 5
Sir,
square
the
minus
answer
1.
is 81, sir. Sir, the answer
No.
is 81.
No.
That was 5 square minus 1 and 6 square plus 1 and 7 square minus 1. 8
Sir,
square.
it is 65, sir. 65.
65.
Yes, correct. 65 is the right answer. And one more. Who said 81? That is not, that is a perfect square number. 81 is a perfect square number. Here our numbers are not perfect square numbers. Then how can it be the answer? 81. Maybe 82 will be the answer, or 80 will be the answer with plus or minus 1. Okay, so this number is 5 square minus 1, this number 6 square plus 1, this number 7 square minus 1. It should be 8 square plus 1. 8 square is 64 plus 1 is 65. That's our answer.
Sir, how can we decide like it is plus 1 minus 1? How can we decide like that?
How can we decide? By seeing the numbers? This number is 1 less than square number.
Oh,
This
sir,
number
you,
is 1 more than square number.
How can we know we need to do like a minus 1 and plus 1? How do we know to do like
That is what I'm telling. This number is just 1 less than 9. 9 is a perfect square number. And this number is just 1 more than 16. 16 is a perfect square number. If you know the squares already, you can identify these numbers easily.
Sir,
Yes.
can we use even cubes, sir?
Sorry.
Sir, can we use a cube?
Maybe, depending upon question. Here, cubes will not give the answer. In future means in the next classes, we'll see cubes also.
Okay, sir.
Here, let us write the pattern. Tell me the pattern here. N square
Sir,
plus
n
1
square
time
minus
minus 1 time. How much?
minus or plus
Minus or plus?
by 1.
1 minus or plus 1. So n square plus or minus 1, where n is what you are substituted in place of n?
Natural
N
number.
equals to
Yeah,
1
consecutive natural numbers only.
consecutive natural numbers.
Natural numbers. Natural numbers.
Sir,
Yes.
so like what if we give 0 to the power of 2, sir?
0 to the power anything, it will be 0 only.
0, sir.
0 into 0 is how much?
Sir, 0 into the power of
Again into
1000 also
0?
0 only, sir.
0. Again into 0? 0. 0 power
Sir,
10
0
will
to the
be
power
0.
of 1 lakh is also 0 only, sir.
Yes. N square plus or minus 1 is the pattern where n is a natural number. And what about plus and minus? They are coming in alternative positions. Alternatively. Okay. Let me write one more question. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes.
You are getting muted and unmuted.
This is the series. 6, 12, 30, 56, and then 132. Now only I am constructing these questions with an idea. By taking any idea, I am framing these questions. Yes. Whether all these numbers are consecutive, natural?
No, sir.
No. Even, odd?
Uh,
Sir, this is
sir,
taking
sir, it's even numbers.
All are even, okay. But
Sir, all are even.
all are even, but not consecutive. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So leave that point. Next, prime composite?
No, sir.
No. Next, perfect squares?
No, sir.
No. Then check for nearby squares or nearby cubes. No. Nearby squares. Later we'll see nearby cubes. Check for nearby squares.
Squares. Sir,
Tell me, what about 6?
not a square of any number, right, sir?
6 is not a
Three
square, but
square.
it can be nearby any square number, right? It may be 2 square plus 2,
2
or
square
it
plus
may
2.
be 3 square minus 3 also.
3 to the power of 3, sir. No. 3 to the power of 2.
3 square, nothing but.
No. 3 to the power of. Sir, 2 to the power of
Minus 2, right, sir? How it will become? No, sir. 2 to the power of 8.
Speak one by one. Okay, talk one by one.
Sir, 2 to the power of 3 is equals to 6, right, sir? So it's
Ah,
a
it's
power.
right.
Till now, we haven't to deal with the cube number, power 3. We are dealing with only squares. Okay, think with the squares only. I'm giving the questions with squares only. Later, we will see cubes also.
Sir, I understood, sir, this answer.
Okay, first number may be 2 square plus 2 or 3 square minus 3. It can be any one of these two. Next,
Sir, 3 square
what
minus
about
3,
12?
4 square minus 4, 4
3
square
square is
minus 4.
actually
Sir,
9.
it's 6 square, sir. No,
3
sir,
square is
not
9.
6 square. Sir, it's 4 square. 4 square.
3 square plus 3.
Very good. 3 square is 9 plus 3. Or it can be 4 square minus 4 also, no?
Yes, sir. That's what I'm telling.
Okay, maybe anyone can happen. We'll see one more number.
5 square plus
What
5.
about 30?
5 square plus 5 or 6 square
Maybe
minus
5
6.
square plus 5 or 6 square
minus 6.
minus 6. And if you observe once, these numbers are following any pattern?
Sir, the
3, 4.
sir, 3
No,
plus 1.
sir.
3 plus
No,
1
these
is
numbers
4,
are not
sir, and 4
following any
plus 2
pattern.
is 6.
Okay.
Sir, 2, 3, 5 are all prime numbers.
Maybe
Yes,
2, 3,
sir.
5 prime numbers. Yes. Let us try with the next prime number. What is the next prime number after 5?
7.
7
7 square is actually 49, but it is 56 means
plus 7.
7.
plus
Sir,
7.
that is
Matching
the
or not?
prime number only.
Yes. And what about 132?
11 square.
11
11
square is
square
121
plus 11.
plus 11 is
11 square
132.
plus 11.
And it is matching. Yes, it is continuing the same logic. So
Sir,
then what is the next prime number after 11?
Sir, 13.
12 square. No,
13,
13 square.
Sir, it's 169 plus 13, so it will be.
169 plus 13.
Sir, it will be.
Don't forget Vedic math, okay? Do 169 plus 10.
Sir, it's 179 and 179 plus 3, 182.
179 plus 13,
182.
Split and add.
Yes.
So first you can add 10 and later you can add 3. Whichever you feel better, you feel comfortable, you can. Tell the pattern for this question. Can I write the logic as
Sir, square
n square plus?
n square plus
n, sir.
n
Yeah,
square.
very good. Same number.
N square plus n.
If it is n, it will be n only. If it is n, it is n only. So n square plus n is the pattern. Where n is?
And
what we
n is
substituted in place of
consecutive prime numbers.
consecutive prime numbers. Correct. Prime numbers. Okay, let us take one more question. Question number 15. What is the next number?
Sir, can I?
Yes.
1 minute, sir. Sir,
Yes.
sir, we need to use squares in it.
Squares you can.
These are not perfect squares.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Not perfect square numbers means we have to
sir,
check
is
for
this the
nearby.
logic? Sir, is this the logic, sir?
Then
Sir, minus 1 plus 2, sir, it will be 2, and 2 plus 3, it will be 5. Again, 5 plus 2, it's 7, like that.
and for this number to this much, you used this much processor means even you are going to the next this place, it takes a lot of time, right?
Sir, and that is a minus 1, sir. So you need 8.
Okay, maybe you can tell directly plus 8. Okay, 1
Yes,
minus
sir.
1 plus 8 is
7
7.
plus.
But
7
it is
plus
not
5
continuing, I think. 7 minus 2.
minus 2.
Yes, sir.
And it is
Again,
plus
plus it will
Plus
be. Sir,
16.
sir, otherwise it's
sir,
5.
18 multiplied by 2.
Minus.
So minus 2
Minus
again.
2.
Then
Yes, sir, got the logic.
Tell
Sir,
the
again,
logic.
plus 24.
Plus 20.
20 no, 24.
24. Okay.
Minus 2.
minus 2.
Minus 2. Okay. Next.
Again, plus,
32.
then
Plus
plus 32.
Why 32?
Sir, because
Sir, it's going like
sir, 8 4
plus
sir,
8 plus 16.
Sir, because
is,
first it is 8 and after
multiplied.
that 16, after that 24.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Wait. Minus 2 is common. Alternatively, minus 2 is common.
Yes,
Other
sir.
than minus 2 and the remaining numbers are 8,
Mal-
8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24,
multiples.
8 4 is 32.
32.
Actually, this is not my idea behind this question in giving this question. We'll see this type of tactics later. Okay. My idea is using nearby squares only. Using
squares.
nearby squares. See,
1
whenever
to
there
the
is a
power
zero,
of-
whenever there is a zero in the series, we think like a 1 square minus 1 or 1 cube minus 1. Okay. Whenever there is a negative number in the series, means subtracting a bigger number. Yes or no? Subtracting a bigger number will lead to a
Yes,
negative
sir.
number. Tell me, 1 square is how much?
1 square is 1.
You do minus 2.
Yes, sir. We can give.
-2.
Minus 1,
Negative.
minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Okay. Can I take it as 1 square minus 2?
Yes.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Then can I take it as 3 square minus 2? 3 square is actually 9
Yeah.
minus 2.
Yeah,
After
sir,
1
we
and
can
3, which number we can take next? After 1 and 3, we may think of 5 considering odd. But it is not matching
No.
with 5 square minus 2. And it is not matching with any number square minus 2. So means it is not continuing.
Sir,
1 second.
sir, can we do like 2 to the power of 2 plus 1
Maybe.
plus.
Which one? This one. 7.
Yeah, sir. The 5.
2 square is?
Simpler method.
No, sir. The 5th one, sir.
No.
I'm talking
See here.
about
See
5.
here. Let me finish. 1 square minus 1 is, sorry, 1 square minus 2 is minus 1. 2 square is actually 4. But what is there here? 7. How much is required?
7 plus 3.
Plus 3. And what about 5? We'll try with the 3 square. 3 square is actually 9.
3 square minus 1.
Plus 1.
3
So
square
two-
is
No,
9.
3 square minus 4.
4 minus 4. What about 21? 4 square is actually 16, but it is 16 plus how much is 21?
5.
5. Now observe any pattern.
Sir, I'm
Yes,
reading,
sir.
sir.
Sir, first it is
Alternative pattern.
consecutive
Sir,
square,
I have a doubt.
and
One
after
second,
that
one
it's
second,
consecutive numbers.
Okay, okay, 1 second. Vedant, tell me your doubt.
Sir, so we can also keep like 2 to the power of 2 plus 1, right, sir?
For 5, but that pattern is not
That's
continuing, right? We can use it for 2 to the power 2 means 2 square plus 1, but anywhere 2 square like square plus 1 numbers are available anywhere.
No, sir.
Okay, we have to fix the pattern so that it should continue till the end. Any pattern continuing till the end is our logic.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then here the pattern is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. It should be 5 square. 1 second, pen changed again. And it is 5 square. This is 6 square, and this is 7 square. And it should be 8 square. Okay,
8
minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5. It should be minus 6 plus 7 minus 8. It should be plus 9. So this is our answer. Okay, 64. 8 square is nothing but 64 plus 9 is
Sir,
73.
64 plus 9, 73.
73.
Yeah. Tell Vedant.
sir, it's like so can we take minuses for everything, sir?
If it is suitable, you can.
Okay, sir.
For it should whatever the logic, and that should be satisfied by all the given numbers. Okay, here I'm writing the pattern. See. Logic is, can I write the logic as n square plus or minus? How much we can write?
Minus or plus or by 2.
If this is 1, it is 2. If this is 2, it is 3. If this is 3, it is 4. If this is n, it should be
N plus 1.
One number more, n plus 1.
Okay, sir.
So n square plus or minus n plus 1 is the pattern where n is what we have substituted in place of n. What is there in place of n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Consecutive?
Consecutive natural numbers.
Natural numbers, correct. Okay, let me give you a simple question because you are doing somewhat bigger questions. Tell the logic for this. Yes. What is the next number? I'm framing these questions now only. That's why I'm taking some time for calculations. Tell. These numbers are also nearby squares only. That is the hint for you. Search for the nearest square numbers, then take the relation.
Sir, 2 to the power of 3.
Which number?
For 12.
For 12. And why are you saying 2 to the power 3? I'm mentioning about squares. You are saying it is cubes. Try with the squares only.
So 2 to the power of 2 is equals to 4.
Okay. Then
Sir, 2 to the n plus 8.
okay. And is it suitable for every number?
No, sir.
No, it's not.
No, sir.
There is a 0. Why are you concentrating? Why are you not concentrating on this 0? How can we get 0?
1 square minus 1.
Maybe 1 square minus 1. And what about 12? 12 nearest to square number is?
Sir, 16.
Sir, 9, 3 square, 9.
Maybe 9 or maybe 16 also. If it is 9, 3 square plus 3.
Plus
If
3.
it is 16, 4 square, 16 minus 4.
Minus
Anyone may be satisfied. We'll see. We'll move further. Next, what about 20? Nearest to square number?
10 to the power of 2.
Sorry.
10 to the power of 2, sir.
No, 10 to the power of 2 is 100.
100.
100.
Oh.
After 1 and 3, why don't we try with 5?
Sir,
5 square is
5 to the power
actually,
of 2 equals to
5 square is 25.
but it is
5 square
minus
Minus 5.
minus 5.
maybe 5 square minus 5. After 1, 3,
Sir,
5
these are consecutive prime numbers.
is 1 a prime number?
1 is not a prime number or constant.
Not a prime number.
Composite
or
Then
composite
why are
number.
you saying prime number?
Sir, it's consecutive odd numbers.
Maybe. Let us verify the remaining 2 numbers also, then we can confirm. After 1, 3, 5, what we can consider? What we can take?
7
7 square is actually
7
plus 7.
49.
49.
49.
Plus 7 is
Plus
matching.
Yes, sir.
Okay, after that, after 7, what we can take?
9 square.
9.
9 square is actually
9 square minus
981
1, but it is
9
minus
square 8 is 81.
Nine.
81
9.
minus
Then what about our answer? Tell me the numbers.
Sir, 11 square.
11 square.
11 square
11 square
11
plus
square
7 is
plus
our
7.
answer. Correct. What logic we can
Sir,
write?
132, sir.
132.
N square minus 1 time plus 1 time. Alternative. Plus or minus how much?
Plus or minus
Minus, sir.
The same number n only.
n.
Okay, if it is n, it will be n. If it is 1, 1, 2, 2, sorry, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, it means n square plus or minus n is the
plus
pattern.
n.
Where n is, what is substituted in place of n?
Consecutive
odd
odd numbers.
Odd numbers, consecutive odd numbers. Where plus and minus? How they are coming? Alternatively.
Alternative.
Okay, let us go to our procedure once again. This is our this is our procedure. Till now, we are in point number 6. Suppose a number series, we are solving a number series. We have verified first natural numbers, not matching, even odd, not matching, prime composite, not matching, perfect square, not matching, nearby square, not matching. Then what we can try? The next.
Cubes.
Cube.
Yes.
Cube.
Next, we have to check whether the given
Nearby
numbers
cube.
are. No.
Cube.
First of all, we have to
First
check
consecutive cube,
Yeah.
then
cube
nearby cube.
numbers. Now tell me what is mean by cube.
Sir, multiplying the same number 3 times.
Multiplying the same number
Same
3
number
times.
three
Number,
times.
number into number into number. The same number.
Sir, any number which has the power of 3 is called as
Power of 3 is called as cube. Yes. Power of 2 is called as square. Power of 3 is called as cube.
cube.
1, 8, 27, 64, 125. What is the next number?
Sir, Sir, this is correct, sir. Sir, can I say, sir?
Tell.
Sir, 1 to the power of 3 minus 1.
Where
Sir, to the 1, sir.
1 to the power of 3 will be
Oh,
1
sorry.
only. Minus 1 it
1 to
becomes
the power
0.
of 3.
1 to the power.
Sir, I think it's
1 cube, 1 cube, 2 cube.
1 cube.
1 cube, 2 cube.
2
Sir,
cube.
it's 216, sir. Answer
Yes,
216.
216 is the correct
3
answer.
cube,
3 cube.
then 4
4
cube,
4 cube.
5
5
cube.
cube,
And
And 6 cube is your answer. 6 cube is nothing but 216. Now one more thing is added to your homework. What is the thing? Along
Sir,
with
it's along the cube still 20.
till 20 is not required for your stage. Till 15 is also enough. 15 is also somewhat bigger. Till 10 at least. Okay. So below 100 prime numbers, below 20 square numbers, and below 15 cube numbers. Learn all these things. Below 15 cube numbers also. Okay, 216. That is your answer. And let me write one more question. What about the pattern here? Logic for this question is n cube,
Yes, sir.
where n is
Consecutive numbers, sir.
natural number,
Yes, consecutive numbers.
consecutive natural numbers. Okay, then 18. Try to answer this question. What is the next number? Easily you can say.
Sir, can I?
Vedant, proceed.
Sir, 1 to the power of 3 minus 1. 3 to the power of 3.
1 second. Let me write the pattern at a time. 1 to the power 3, nothing but 1 cube minus 1.
3 to the power, 3 to the power of
2 to the power of 2 cube plus 1
2 cube is 8 plus 1, correct?
plus 1. 3 cube minus 1.
3 cube is 27, but it is minus 1.
4 cube plus 1
4 plus
4
plus 1
4 plus 1.
plus
Sir,
1.
it's 5
5 cube minus 1.
125
Sir?
minus 1.
Sir, it's 6
Cube
cube
minus 1 plus 1.
It will be 217.
217, not 250.
270.
217.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell your
Sir,
doubt.
I have
Wait,
also
wait.
doubt, sir. Why you wrote the square, sir?
3 to the power of
Where
To
square?
the power 2 you wrote.
3 to the
No,
power
no,
of
no,
2.
no.
The
That is
square.
cube
Yes,
only.
sir.
That is
3 to
cube
the power
only.
2 you wrote.
Cube only, cube only. I wrote it mistaken.
Okay, sir.
Three
Sir,
You can
Sir,
just observe these two number set. You can identify. This is 1, 0. This is 8, 9. This is 27, 26, 64, 65, 125, 124.
Yes, sir. I got the answer from above. I added one for the above answer.
1 time plus, 1
sir,
time minus.
logic. Sir, the logic should
Let us
be
write the logic.
n cube plus
Hmm.
and minus 1 plus or minus 1.
N cube plus or minus 1.
Plus or minus 1. N is equals to
Sir, n is,
consecutive natural
natural.
number.
Very
No,
good.
sir, whole numbers.
No, no, no.
Sir, 0 is a whole
Natural
number, right,
number.
sir?
But here I have not substituted
No,
0,
we
right?
took 1.
We took
didn't
1.
take 0.
After taking 1, we got 0. Whatever may be the result.
Okay, sir.
Here we are telling about the n only.
Sir,
Instead
for
of n,
0 or 1, sir, 0 we multiply any times or 1 we multiply any times, the answer will be 0 or 1 only, right, sir?
No, 0 if you multiply by any time. Okay, itself. You are saying
Yes,
itself.
sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
it is correct. 0 power can be anything, 0. 1 power can be anything, it is 1 only. Okay, then let us go to the processor
Sir, what
again.
if we keep 1 to the power of 4, sir? It's not like even cube or square, right, sir? It's just the power.
Yes, 1 is raised to the power 4. We have to call it as raised to the power 4. That's all.
Okay, sir.
We'll go to our procedure again. After point number 6, what is our next point?
Check nearby
Check
cubes.
the
Check
nearby
nearby cubes.
Nearby cubes.
We have to
Check
check
nearby cubes, sir.
nearby cubes. So when you can identify nearby cubes, if you know cubes already, if you know perfect cubes, you can identify nearby cubes.
Yes, sir. I know some cubes.
One cube plus or
Sir, I
minus
know.
something. Okay, so these are 7 steps. Whether the numbering is correct, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, these 7 steps for any number series, these 7 steps are called, we have to call them as preliminary screening. Preliminary
What, sir?
screening. Preliminary screening. Do you know first aid? What is meant by first aid?
Yes,
If
sir.
we get hurt, sir, then we do that.
Use it.
If any incident is happened, immediately what are the steps? What are the actions to be taken? That is first aid. So means if you see any number series, we can say these 7 points are first aid. Okay, these 7 points are first aid for any number series.
Okay, sir.
In the first aid, if the problem is not solving, then we can bring the patient to the operation theater. Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
Now we are bringing it to second level, second stage. That is point number 8. So till now we have done only basic things.
Sir,
We are
what is
just
the first one, sir? Sir, what is
Sir,
the
we
first
have
one?
only 3 minutes left, sir.
Check consecutive natural numbers.
natural numbers only. Na? Natural, even,
Okay,
odd,
sir.
prime, composite,
Sir,
squares.
there cannot be consecutive whole numbers, sir.
Consecutive whole numbers comes under consecutive natural numbers only, excluding 0.
Sir, means there will be no 0 in the number series, sir.
Yes, if there is no 0, we call it as natural numbers only. Na?
But sir, if there is 0, sir,
Whole number comes under whole number.
then you did not write whole number, right, sir?
Then anywhere you cannot find this series. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the next number?
Okay, sir.
For any competitive exam, you'll never get this question. Even in LKG, UKG exams also. Okay, that is why generally we don't mention that one. Right. Okay, next point number 8. Till now, we are just identifying whatever is there in our mind. We know perfect square numbers, perfect cube numbers. We know what are the things, even numbers, odd numbers. Just we are verifying those things. Now we are going to the mathematical operations. What are the 4 mathematical operations we have?
Addition, subtraction,
Addition, subtraction,
Subtraction, multiplication, and division.
Subtraction, multiplication, and division.
These are the 4 mathematical operations we have.
cube,
Demons.
square.
Okay. Okay. In one point of view, in one category, in one point of view, these two comes under one category. 1 second. Plus and into comes under one category. Minus and division comes under another category. In one point of view. What is the point of view? Can anyone tell?
Multiplication is repeated addition.
Very good. Division is
division is repeated subtraction.
repeated subtraction.
Subtraction.
Yes.
Division is repeated subtraction.
Yes. But I asked you what is the relation. I didn't ask you what is the relation between these two. I asked you what are the 2 categories. What is the point of view in categorizing this way?
Sir, into means twice.
No, see here, plus and into refers increase. Minus and division refers decrease.
Yes, decrease.
Okay, so plus is
Addition.
slow increase. Into is
Fast increase.
Fast increase.
Sir,
Minus is
Slow
Slow decrease.
slow decrease. And divided by is
Fast decrease.
fast
decrease.
decrease.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, like why it is slow, sir, addition?
Why it is low?
Like means does it depend
Six
upon?
As
plus
you
six
as you
is
said, one second.
6
one
plus
second.
6 is 12, but 6 multiplied by 6 is 36.
Yeah. Let me explain. As you said, repeated addition nothing but multiplication. Yes or no?
Yeah, sir.
Repeated addition nothing but multiplication means you have to add many number of times. Okay. So in that statement only, it is telling this is slower and this is faster.
Okay, sir.
If you do repeated operation with this one, you will get this one.
Okay.
Class is Vedic
Right.
Maths, teacher.
Sorry.
Next class is Vedic Maths.
Next class is Vedic math, and one small announcement is also
Sunday.
there. No. I'll announce. Let me announce.
Sir, it's on Monday, right?
Wait.
Sir, are we going to have test on Vedic Maths, sir?
We'll try. One second. This is one point of view we have categorized. And let me tell you another point of view. These two comes under one category. And these two comes under another category. And you have to tell what is the point of view behind the categorization of these two in the next class.
Sir, can I say, sir?
No. Till you can tell it in the next class. Okay, small announcement is there. From this week onwards, we are shifting Sunday 7 a.m. class to Monday 9 a.m. Okay, Sunday 7 a.m. class is shifting to Monday 9 a.m.
Sir,
What
again,
is Monday 9 a.m. class?
Monday 9 a.m. is not there. No?
Oh,
Yes,
Again,
sir.
our classes
You
are
took
Tuesday.
only one Monday class, that is compensation.
sir.
thank you, sir.
Sir.
Okay, see here.
Sir
Sunday.
means-
Sorry, our
Sir, I have a
schedule.
doubt.
Weekly schedule. Our schedule.
Okay, sir.
Monday 9 a.m.
Tuesday 9 a.m.
Tuesday 9
and
a.m.
Friday
We'll
9
see.
a.m.
We'll see the
Friday.
Vedic math. And Friday 9 a.m. we'll see
Mental ability.
Mental
mental
ability.
ability.
Sir,
From this week onwards, this is
sir,
our
can I
schedule.
say something, sir?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can you keep these timings to 6:30, sir? I have like in the next week my school is going to reopen.
Okay. If your school is going to reopen, then they will plan accordingly. Okay. Management will plan accordingly.
Sir, even our school also, sir.
Same, sir, for me also.